Hey there, folks! Today, I'm going to show you do slow motion in Wondershare Filmora. This is very fantastic topic. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Filmora. First things first, import your video file into Wondershare Filmora. You can do this by going to File and then Import to bring your video onto the timeline. Step 2. Work with slow motion. Next, right-click on your video file on the timeline. This will open up some options. Go to the Speed and Duration tab. Now, simply switch it on and then click Timeline. The video will work on the normal speed. Mean 1x, so I can adjust 0.5x, and now the slow motion will be ready. When you're satisfied with the settings, click OK. Your video file is now slow and ready to go. Simply resume of the video and let's check. Adjust it to your preference. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.